What's up, guys? I'm playing Swap the Convenience Store. It's like part 5 or like 2. I don't know. I'm just playing more battery, so this video is gonna be short. I'm just gonna do a little bit. So I just let himself. It's a banana. My lifestyle is easy. Just steal and steal and steal. This is an easy lifestyle. Just steal. Just steal, but just steal, but even though you just steal, well, I'm dead. Two stuff. I got a club. I think this is bling rat. I gotta get speed. I need speed. Alright. 1,500. Yeah. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. I have to go really bad. Ugh.